think a girl's boob size actually matters?
For guys it does, I think so.
No, it depends on boy to boy.
Not really. I feel that if she's okay with it, then it's okay. It doesn't really matter. It depends on the girl.
You think the size of a girl's boobs actually matter?
Yes, they do. Guys get turned on by that.
It's a sign that curves attract men.
That's the asset because of which guys start fantasizing what they can do with a girl, what she can give me, what I can do and what not. Everything depends upon that.
Do you think a guy's penis size actually matter?
I've never watched anything that kind of thing, so I don't know.
Maybe. Yes. No, what matters is the performance, not the size, really.
You think the size of a girl's boobs actually matter?
Yes.
It's the attractive part for them.
So more the curvy you are, more curvy your boobs are, obviously it will attract men. So it really matters.
So would you like to go for a surgery to increase your size or something?
No man, I have nice ones.
Not at all. I'm happy with what I have.
I think for guys, it does. Because I've watched so many things where they actually firstly focus on that and then they go above. So I think for them. I don't know, it depends on the guy, I guess. Some people are more attracted to the butt or other things.
You think a guy's penis size actually matter?
I suppose yes. I don't think so.
It depends on the art of how you're having sex with.
For me, it doesn't matter because all depends upon his strength and how much he can, satisfy me.
You think the size of a girl's boobs actually matter?
It's not upon the girl to increase her boobs or decrease. It's definitely a natural thing. To them, yes, definitely, because the more the size of the boobs, they'll definitely interact with the girl more and they would fantasize with the girl more. So yeah,
The size, they will attract more and they will be having those intentions more and they will get the mood very fast.
Do you think a guy's penis size actually matter?
Not really, come on. We have been using average size, so we are like totally okay with that. It's all cool. We are enjoying it.
it depends on how well the woman and the man are compatible. If a woman's vagina is small, then it doesn't make a difference. So it's, I think, personal preference depending on how well it goes with you.
We are using average size?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like 6.57, not more than that.
Very disappointing, the Indian penis size.
Like, share, comment, subscribe to the Nerdy Gangsters.